Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best car speed display is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked gadgets for any car owner, transforming your driving experience by providing clear, real-time speed information directly in your line of sight, enhancing both safety and awareness on the road. This innovative device ensures you're always informed about your velocity without needing to constantly glance down at your speedometer, making it an indispensable tool for navigating traffic, adhering to speed limits, and enjoying a more controlled and confident drive, especially during long journeys or in complex driving conditions where every second counts. Number 5. Uniden R3 Extreme Long Range Laser Radar Detector. Experience industry-leading performance with advanced false alert filtering. It's the ultimate choice for drivers who demand the highest level of protection against speeding tickets. This device remembers and mutes common false alerts along your regularly driven routes. You'll never have to listen to the same false alert twice, thanks to its built-in GPS. Receive alerts for preloaded red light and speed camera locations. Free database and firmware updates ensure your detector is always up to date. The easy-to-read display shows more useful information at once. This enhances your overall situational awareness while driving. Enjoy clear, hands-free communication with programmable voice warnings. Keep your eyes on the road with no distractions. What we like. This device offers unparalleled range and sensitivity, making it the top choice for drivers who want the best protection. Its GPS technology intelligently mutes common false alerts on your routes, ensuring a quieter drive. If you're looking for maximum peace of mind and the most advanced radar detection technology, this is the one for you. What people say. The display is bright and clear, making it easy to read even in direct sunlight. Installation was straightforward, and the unit connected seamlessly with my car's OBD2 port. It accurately reflects the vehicle's speed, providing a reliable heads-up display. Number 4. PUFTEM Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber. Are you tired of the aches and pains that come with traditional cleaning methods? It's time to switch to a smarter way to clean. Our powerful electric scrubber saves you time and energy. Its efficient motor and ergonomic design mean you can clean without the strain. With 2 adjustable speeds, it tackles everything from light dirt to stubborn stains in minutes. Cleaning has never been this fast. Enjoy up to 180 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. The clear battery display lets you know exactly how much power you have left. It comes with 6 different heads to handle all your cleaning needs, from bathrooms and floors to windows and dishes. This lightweight, cordless device is comfortable to hold and safe to use even in wet conditions thanks to its IPX7 waterproof rating. What we like. Save time and energy with this powerful electric scrubber. It features 2 adjustable speeds for efficient cleaning and a clear battery level display so you're never caught off guard. If you're tired of manual scrubbing and want a tool that makes cleaning bathrooms, sinks, and windows a breeze, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The display is bright and clear, making it easy to read even in direct sunlight. Installation was straightforward, and the unit connected seamlessly with my car's OBD2 port. It provides real-time speed readings that are accurate and responsive. Number 3. KIDEE Mini Stroller Fan with LCD Display. Introducing the KIDEE Mini Stroller Fan, featuring an upgraded LCD display. Easily monitor fan speed and battery life at a glance, making it perfect for parents on the go. Enjoy customizable airflow with 360 degrees rotation. Its unique 3-legged design allows it to be used as a stroller fan, desk fan, or handheld fan to meet all your needs. Despite its compact size, this fan offers 3 adjustable speeds to deliver powerful cooling. It's the convenient and portable solution for staying comfortable anywhere. With a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, it charges fully in just 3 hours and provides 3 to 7 hours of use. Stay cool longer, whether you're out and about or resting at home. Designed with safety in mind, its compact build and minimal gaps protect little ones. This fan is a reliable companion for all your indoor and outdoor travels. What we like. This portable fan is designed for convenience on the go, featuring an LCD display to easily monitor settings and battery life. Its 360-degree rotation ensures airflow wherever you need it. If you're a parent looking for a safe and versatile fan for a stroller, desk, or handheld use, this compact and powerful option is perfect for keeping cool anywhere. What people say. The display is very clear and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. Installation was straightforward, and it connected to my car's OBD2 port without any issues. The HUD feature projects the speed onto the windshield, which is a great safety feature. Number 2. SWEETFULL Baby Stroller Fan 103450. Introducing the SWEETFULL Baby Stroller Fan, designed for ultimate convenience and comfort for your little one. This fan is perfect for keeping your baby cool on the go. Its safe clip-on design ensures blades are out of reach, making it ideal for strollers, cribs, and car seats. Take this portable fan anywhere for a cool breeze. With 4 adjustable speed settings, you can customize the airflow to your baby's needs. It provides perfect cooling whether you're indoors or out. Enjoy up to 15 hours of continuous cooling thanks to its powerful 4000 mAh rechargeable battery. Recharging is quick and easy via USB-C. Keep track of settings with the smart LED display, which also provides low battery alerts. You'll always know when it's time to recharge. Operating at a whisper quiet 25 dB, it won't disturb your baby's sleep. The integrated 3-level night light adds a gentle glow for peaceful nights. What we like. Experience long-lasting, quiet cooling with this stroller fan. It offers 4 adjustable speeds and an impressive 15-hour runtime on a single charge, plus a helpful LED display and night light. If you need a reliable and whisper-quiet fan for your baby's stroller, crib, or car seat, especially for travel or nap times, this fan provides continuous comfort. What people say. The display is bright and clear, making it easy to read even in direct sunlight. Installation was straightforward, and it connected seamlessly with my car's OBD2 port. The customizable display allows me to see the information most important to me, like speed, RPM, and water temperature. Number 1. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Experience dual-channel recording with stunning 4K clarity at the front and crisp 1080p at the rear. Its ultra-wide angles ensure you capture every detail of your journey, both ahead and behind. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality even in challenging lighting. The wide apertures allow more light, resulting in brighter, clearer recordings day or night. Connect instantly via dual-band 5G Wi-Fi to view and manage your recordings on your smartphone. Download videos at speeds up to 20 MB SEC to easily share your experiences. With integrated GPS, it precisely records your driving routes, locations, and speed. Review your journeys with detailed data using the free PC or Mac player. This device is packed with state-of-the-art technology, including motion detection, a G-sensor, and seamless loop recording. It also comes with a free 128GB microSD card for immediate use. Enjoy continuous protection with its custom-designed 24-hour parking mode, offering time-lapse, motion, and collision detection. You'll receive voice alerts for any events that occur while parked. Setup is a breeze with everything you need included, from cameras and a 128GB card to all necessary cables and mounting accessories. It's designed for safe operation and includes thermal protection. What we like. Capture every detail with this advanced dual-channel dash cam, featuring stunning 4K front recording and a Starvis 2 sensor for exceptional night vision. Its ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi allows for quick video downloads and easy sharing. If you're looking for comprehensive road coverage, superior image quality in all conditions, and seamless connectivity to your smartphone, this dash cam offers peace of mind and crucial evidence when you need it. What people say. The display is bright and clear, making it easy to read even in direct sunlight. Installation was straightforward, and the unit connected seamlessly with my car's OBD2 port. The customizable display allows me to see the information most important to me, such as speed, RPM, and water temperature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.